Mikai Kikai goes to Cebu Safari. Ta-da! Welcome to Cebu Safari. Safari. With a cat. Wow! Here we go today with a very beautiful garden, and we get to see different species of animals. It be in land, it be in water, or it be in the air. We get to see the camel. We get to see different kinds of birds, from small to bigger birds. We get to see different species of monkey, from the orangutan and more others. We get to see this super unique animal. We get to see the tiger. And then we can only see it in the book, but here it is. And we get to see this different species of animal, just a very unique, and which are very new to our eyes. And what is amazing with this animal is that they're not being put into cage. You can freely move, they can freely eat whenever they wanted. A lot of crocodiles. And look, it looks like a cat, but it's not a cat. And today I had the opportunity to take a photo. So what are you waiting for? You must go to Cebu Safari.